Flavors Fam. Today we are making veg enchiladas. This Mexican classic is full of flavors and makes a perfect exotic dinner at home. If you like the recipe, be sure to smash the like button. For more recipes every week, subscribe to Flavors Family. Add boiled tomato, onion, garlic cloves, soaked red chili, and a half cup of water. Grind them to a smooth puree. Keep pan on low to medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons oil and all-purpose flour. Stir continuously until flour blends with oil. Add tomato puree and mix. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add coriander powder, red chili powder, dried oregano leaves, dried basil leaves, and salt. Mix well, close lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Add vinegar and tomato ketchup. Ensure sauce is at desired consistency as shown. Enchilada sauce is ready. Keep it aside in a bowl. Add boiled kidney beans, onion, green onion, and enchilada sauce. Mix well and keep it aside. Fill the center of a tortilla with kidney beans mix and mozzarella cheese and wrap. Keep pan on low to medium flame. Add half of enchilada sauce and tortilla wrap. Add remaining enchilada sauce on top of the wrap and spread. Spread shredded mozzarella cheese on top. Close lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. Enchiladas are ready. Garnish and serve hot.